In this video, I will show you how to send pictures on Poly. So, the first thing I need to do is to open this app, and then after that, I will just click on chat, and then I will just click on this, and then you will see that it has no send image option. So you will see the start, history, go on, and persona and background. So we will just wait for the update here soon if the poly AI will proceed to have a AI image or add image here, or you can add files here. So we will just wait for it to add it on poly AI. So for now we will just use these features here, so we can use add image here for now. So we will just wait for it, and that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.